YouTube, what is goody family? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. You're tuning into your main man, Sally Knows It All. Today, guys, I got a great one, man. Came home to some dope mail, man. Ain't nothing like getting something in the mail. Can't wait to show you guys. So I'm actually just getting in the house, and I've been waiting for this fragrance to come in the mail, guys. That is Giardini Celeste. You gotta say it like that. You gotta say Celeste. I think that's how you pronounce it, man. But guys, I've been absolutely loving this brand. I've been loving the house, everything that they're making. Even the ones that I really don't really care for, I'm noticing that I'm growing, is really growing on me over time and over time. And I find myself buying more and more bottles from the brand. I actually want maybe one or two more, and I think I got all the ones that I really enjoy. So guys, this is going to be my third bottle from the house. Man, they got beautiful stuff. I have Blue Indigo and I've had Rosso Rubano. Both are great, guys. This one, man, this is really good. Let's just crack this thing open. Comes like this in the box. Still got that little sticker on there, so easy to come off. And guys, these are genuinely priced very nicely. I mean, you don't even have to buy these from discounters. You can get these at full retail and still, win. Don't have to worry about anything being fake or anything. So if you get it from a discounter, you'll probably save about 15 bucks. I'd rather just pay the 15 from a legit site and know I'm getting something that's legit. Not saying that discounters aren't, anything wrong, but just to be on the safe side, I'd rather just pay the extra 15 and know I'm getting something. Oh, I could just smell it on the tip. Pause. Guys, ooh, look at that sprayer. Guys, this is so good. So backstory, how I got into this brand. Me and my main man Nosy, if you caught the live, we discovered the whole house together. In the moment, I thought it was a great house. I grew to even like the house, even more so after the fact, sitting down with each fragrance and sampling ones that I like. I had one fragrance ranked first, and by the end of the week, I had another fragrance ranked first, and that first fragrance was probably ranked fourth. So guys, I'm on my third bottle. This is the one that I was most excited to get. I felt like this was probably the profile that's like the most intriguing out of all of them. What this has is this beautiful citrusy, violet, candied, oak malts type of scent profile. Guys, overall, just to give you guys like a quick synopsis of how this smells without going into like notes or anything, because honestly, I don't know the notes off the top of my head. But what this smells like, guys, is a beautiful fresh pack of Sour Patch watermelons, and I mean that in the most sexiest way possible. It's in the most adult way possible. There's nothing like that smells kitty. Guys, this is one of the most sexiest, most ediblest fragrances I've ever smelled, man. Smelling this, it really like waters my mouth. Pause. Pause. It really does get the juices flowing. Guys, this is absolutely phenomenal to smell. Slightly sweet, slightly tardy and sour. Got these beautiful candy citruses type thing mixed in with the violet and like candy things. They mix very well, man. I'm telling you, this is up your alley. If you like something like maybe Mary Jane from Born to Stand Out, you will absolutely love this. I find this to be better than Mary Jane ever could be. Mary Jane is that herbal hemp, candied hemp type of smell, but obviously this doesn't have hemp in it. But something like that, along those lines, if you know what I'm talking about, this is absolutely far better than Mary Jane is, in my opinion. I find this to be more versatile than Mary Jane. Guys, this is beautiful. Candy, purplish smell. Guys, it is beautiful. As simple as that, though, it smells like a beautiful pack of watermelon Sour Patches in the most elevated way possible, in a perfume way. So I'm telling you, some might hear that and say that, why would I want to smell like that? Promise you, this is freaking magical. This is sexy, guys. This is so sexy. I'm stamping this one, man. I am absolutely stamping Celeste. I gotta talk about the other fragrances from the house that I have, just to go into detail. I didn't make full videos on them, but guys, I got this in the mail. I just came in, so I wanted to make a quick video for you guys. Guys, you gotta get your nose on this, man. You gotta get your nose on this. You know who else likes this one? If you watch a young lady, Skylar, she had a short on sampling samples. And I think she had 2 bottles of this. That's how much she liked it. I don't know if it was this one that she had 2 bottles of, or was it Bianco Latte? It was one of them, but she had 2 bottles of something, guys. And minimum 1. I'm telling you guys, this is flipping phenomenal. I've been trying to tell Tazo, you gotta sample this house. I think I told Dedrick about the house, and I told Dedrick I was gonna hold him to it. I don't even think he sampled anything to it. So I gotta apply the pressure to Dedrick to get his nose on this, man. This is absolutely magical to smell. It's playful, but it also has this mature adult vibe to it. It's one of the ones, it can be an easy reach, but it still has a sophistication to it. It's beautiful. It smells like a candied sheepra, if you will, guys. Candy notes, violet notes, and I believe it's oak moss, giving it this candy mossiness. Guys, this is one to experience. I promise you. This is so gorgeous. And you know what else I've came to realize about the house of Giardini Di Toscana? They make their fragrances in a way where almost all of them mix together very well. These 3 right here, they mix so perfectly together. I promise you. I have the discovery set. I was mixing different ones, and I found out that they mix very well together, and they also just mix very well with other fragrances for some reason. I done mixed Russell Rabano with several things, that Blue Indigo with several things. They just mix well with other fragrances. I don't know why that is, but that is a fact. They mix well with a lot of stuff. It's a lot of stuff that these mix with well. Like, I can imagine this mixing very well with something like Oud Lemon Mint. I just have it on the table up here. I can just see these 2 mixing very well together. Just, just do something for fun. Let's see. Yo, this mixes perfectly together. I telling you, this is a home run. This mixture right here, Celeste, Oud Lemon Mint, it is a home run. You get that candiedness from the Celeste. The Oud Lemon Mint almost has its own kind of candied feel to it, with some, little oud up under there to give it a dark profile. Guys, hey man, right on camera, man. Y'all witnessed the magic of Celly Nose, man. This right here, it mixes so well together. And that's just one, guys. I'm telling you, it's something about these fragrances from Giardini Di Toscana. They mix beautifully with other stuff. More so their profiles that's on, they have like this sort of candyish DNA to them. It's something about the DNAs in certain ones. And that's honestly all the ones that I bought. All the ones with this oak moss, candyish DNA, maybe it's slightly powdery candy, little earthy candy. They have a beautiful DNA. And I think this house is underrated. And I think more people need to get their nose on this house, man. Hey guys, for the most part, everything that I buy, I sample first. I know I loved it, so I'm going to love it, and I'm going to bring it to you and let you guys know about it. It's some creators out there that blind buy everything, and even if they don't like it, it just becomes content. It just becomes a bad recommendation that they truly don't stand behind, because to them, the bottle is just going to become content. You won't get that here with me, guys. Anything I have, I absolutely love it, and if I bring it to you guys, I absolutely love it. And I love Celeste, and I love the house of Giardini. You guys gotta sample it. Sample it, guys. Let me know your thoughts on this one. I think it's a masterpiece. For the style of fragrance that it is and the category that I put it in, I think this is an absolute masterpiece. I think it is a masterpiece. Mark my words, guys. So, hey man, that is going to do it for my, I don't know if you want to call it first impression or review on Celeste. Guys, get your nose on it. Get your nose on something from the house. I love Blue Indigo. I love Rosso Urbano and Celeste. Those are the 3 that I have at the moment. There's one more that I want. I can't not remember the name off top, but I'm definitely will let you guys know. So guys, that's going to do it for the video. I just want to say peace and blessings to you and yours, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Help your boy out. What you waiting for? Y'all keep it coming. I'ma definitely keep it coming. Y'all know that's how we carrying it. That's how we rocking. Peace.